Hey everyone, so here's Pixly app live photo AI animator. Turn old photos alive with AI. Our memories often exist only in old photographs, but what if we could bring these old photos to life and see what our loved ones might look like if they were still with us? So now this is possible with AI technology and Pixly app. So this app creates AI photos. It just analyzes the uploaded image and attempts to bring the people in the photo to life, bring realistic moments. You can create a unique 3D doll. There is Ghibli effect. So this is just popular trend in TikTok filter. Then there are special effects. So quite trendy app recently, which you can just see right now is quite high in the top charts. And then you can then just open it up and let's see. So turn memories into motion. So generate live photos, enjoy 10 plus effects, get 45 generations yearly. So yearly access $50, weekly access $8. There is no free trial, unfortunately. And then you have all these different effects which you can use. There is no referral codes, anything promo codes which you can use, unfortunately. So here is the app, Egyptian throne. So for example, you can use it, and then you just need to upload photos. Select photo, upload a photo, choose an image that shows only one female, for example. Avoid inappropriate content. So let's just try it out. I had some and then you can just generate it. Unfortunately, you still need to buy coins, and that's what it is. So there are no free coins. You still need to buy them, and that's what it is. So you need to buy them, and so there are like dolls, office, golf. So no, it always asks for 10 coins, so you can't use it like in a free trial or free mode. So that's what it is. You need to upgrade. Weekly price is quite good, $8 per week. You can get 6 generations, only 10 plus effects and live photos. So 6 generations, so you don't have unlimited generations. So it's a bit more than $1 for one generation. So you need to know that. So that's what it is.